Bali babwate abantu babwate umuchando bw'endurume niko baboligwe ko balinda abantu abo asibate oseba boligwe nga babalinde babatuma ase chindo chikire abayigo ko batuma kuchia ase umuliro mongole abayigo abarayu babere bako osemia abantu igoro yoborero bw'endurume niko babere babatanga borero bw'endurume mbuli gotambokera abayigo ndiko babolirie abalimu gotabaseria abana bali bakorekana gutwara umuchando yo bw'endurume.
So we are here today because we want to disseminate the survey, the CAP survey that we did. CAP is Knowledge, Attitudes and Perception Survey. We have called all the stakeholders within the county so that we're able to disseminate the findings that we got and then enrich the survey with the qualitative aspects of across the 9 sub-counties of Gusii County. So we have an understanding that there is a lot of stigma from the synopsis of the survey. We are going to disseminate the report and we are going to give it to the county so that interventions can now...
And perception of the people of Gusii County. And this is one of its kind survey that has been done around people who have epilepsy. In the attitudes, the stigma around the county, which will dictate on the strategies we'll have to put in place.
To look at as we wage the war against this disease, which of course health services across the county are fighting any disease that is afflicting our people in the county. The HIV, AIDS related services.
Chari umurinde gweta umurero ryuko ekegenga umurero yuko uwoko monge mundu tabwente koberere byekariko giskuru abantu babwente kumanya kero umwana kumakaka taringa ni goreta kisaitani ororo abantu abange baseriri abana, so we need to understand bw'endurume kubwena bure mburi kwambukira
oborwero bwarentire amachayo ase binyoro nimanyete ndubwata abaminta abange barwarire ngaki entambe abantu abanene amo n'abana lakini esengencho y'obwoba bw'ekenyoro n'obw'echinka chiri turwete abantu abange bagoteba ng'a gotwara endurume okunokorogwa oyu n'omonto oragereiri oyu n'omonto osaliti egi asaliti etorega iga emambi ya rero y'okobasarora ng'a oborwaire bw'endurume mbubwata obokonyi naende buna abanyagitari aba barure iga iga batebire ng'a chisenta Gusii iga chiabekirwe aho abasekere sub-county n'abanyagitari mbarororo kamuranche oyo obwate omwana gose omwamata oyo omonene ogokwendurume enchere chinde chionsi ngaki chinde chionsi koranche tobasa kwobwa naende tikagosoka naende mono atakugikiria amang'ana abantu bagoteba aye ninto omorwaire oo anyora ogokonya ase chinyagitari echi twatebire ekiagereria ogondiro nokorwarigwa nkoro nokogwena nkoro.
I'm a nurse living with epilepsy. Epilepsy is all about conversion. Epilepsy is all about somebody conversing at home, coming to the hospital, being diagnosed,